Hey guys, welcome to the Blaze Mobile Pro Recorder Demo. Here we are going to dive into the features of Blaze Mobile Pro Recorder as well as we are going to record a script to see how the recorder actually works. So we are going to log into the BMP portal first. Once we do that, we click on Create Test. Here we have two options. We can record a new script or we can upload your already recorded script. So we'll be focusing on the record script section. For doing that, we need to select a device OS. Let's select 13.3 iOS. We need to select a device. Let's keep it iPhone 8. And then you need to give a app file. So either you can upload a new app file or you can select from the previously uploaded one. Let's go with the previously uploaded one. So I'm clicking on record. Once we click on record, the control goes to BMP Recorder. Here we are spinning up a new VM for you. On that VM, we are downloading the app file that we uploaded in the previous step. We'll be installing that app and then we'll be launching the session for you. This process may take some time, from 60 seconds to 300 seconds. In that time, you can go through the walkthrough demo hosted here where you can check all the features that the BMP recorder has. Once this process completes, you will be presented with the recorder screen. Yeah. So when you log in to BMP Recorder for the first time, you will be presented with this quick tour, which will give you a tour guide of all the features that we have. So let's go through it. So we have the element selection option here. This is a pointer where you pick it and then you can select all the elements from the app area. Then if you want to perform swipe actions, you can use this option. This option is to click or tap on the screen anywhere with the X and Y coordinates and not the actual elements. Likewise, if you want to navigate back, you can use this option. This is the refresh screen option. So whenever you do any option on the app and it takes time, because the screen or the actual app resides on the VM which is far away, and sometime due to network conditions you might not be presented with the latest screen. So for that, if you refresh the screen, you will get the latest screen that is present on the simulator on the VM. Then we have a recording button which starts the recording. Once you click on this button, the recording pane will be showed up and all the actions you do on the app area will be recorded. We are going to see that in a moment. Then you have the search menu. Once you click on this button, a search menu will be presented using which you can find your locators using advanced techniques like ID, name path, and tag. If you want to copy the whole DOM structure of the screen, you can use this. To close the recorder and go back to Blaze Mobile Pro, you can quit the session from here. Now this section is the app area which will display the app screen. This is the element properties section where whenever you select an element from the app screen, the element details will be displayed here. And that's it. So let's start a demo. So as you see, the select element is already highlighted. That means we are in selection mode. I can hover my mouse on these elements and I can tap on any one of them. So let's see this one. As soon as I do it, you see all the actions available for this element are displayed here, as well as the properties of this element, that the accessibility ID is integer A, name, the element ID, the type, the XY coordinates, and more. Similarly, we can check multiple elements from here. Let's go ahead and do a recording. So I'm going to tap on the start recording option. So as soon as I did that, I see the recorder pane here. That means our recording is started. Now let's perform some action. We're going to do a simple demo of addition. So I select the first element. I want to record a wait till element loaded, and you see the code is generated on the recorder pane. After that, I would like to enter some text into this field. Let's enter 10. So as you see, the code is generated here. We entered 10. On the next field, let's enter a different number, 40. Now let's take a screenshot of this input that we have entered. So I'll tap on save screenshot. So another line of code is added. Now I'll click on compute sum. The sum is computed. Now let's verify this element if it is present. You can also add some delay if you want. For synchronization purpose, let's add a 2-second delay. And then let's save a screenshot again to record the answer. Let's tap on the done button. One more thing we would like to do is let's try a alert. So I'm going to click on show alert. Okay, the alert is displayed. Now let's save a screenshot for it. Then I'm going to accept the alert. I'm going to verify if this element is present. Let's add some more verifications. Let's verify the title. Let's verify the subtitle of this. And finally, cl click on OK. And that's it. Let's put some delay and take another screenshot to confirm the alert was not there. And our script is done. From here, what you can do is you can download the script, you can download the entire package, or the best option is save the test back to BMP. So let's go ahead with that. As you see, you are navigated back to BMP where all the needed files, the YAML file, the Java file, and the dependencies jar along with your test app is already presented in the create screen test. From here, what you can do is just select a project that you want to save it, give a name to your test, give a default description, and save this test. So this test is saved. Now let's go ahead and do a test run for this. For the test run, we are going to do the same environment, iOS 13.3, iPhone 8, and let's do a test run. So now again, while doing the test run, another VM is spun for you. The same process of launching the simulator, downloading all these files, and then running the test is happening. And you will see the status here. So the test is started. We expect it to take around a minute or two. The test is in progress now. I'm going to pause the video till this completes, and then we can analyze the results. Okay, the execution is done. As soon as it is done, we have navigated to the history tab where you see the configuration that we selected and the result of the test and the source, whether it was run from whether it was run manually from the portal or it was scheduled or from extension. So let's dive into the results. So the screen has more options like when was the test started, when did it end, what was the duration, where it was ran, the configuration like device and iOS, and then let's check the screenshots that we captured. So this is one of the screenshot where we entered the data and we also computed the sum. Here is another screenshot. Here is the one where we just entered the data and then yeah. So that's pretty much about the screenshots. Let's check the logs. So we have the BZT logs as well as APM logs here. We can also download them so we can actually see through what flow your test went. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you.